Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Polina and this is Elemental Face Yoga. If you've noticed that one side of your face looks droopy or less active than the other side, you are not alone and you're not powerless. Today I'm going to walk you through gentle and effective face yoga techniques that can help bring balance, tone and lift back to your face. Facial asymmetry can be caused by so many different things like habitual sleeping on one side, dental work, imbalances of the posture, stress, and even mild nerve weakness. In many cases, these imbalances are not permanent, and with consistent targeted exercises, we can help reawaken and retrain the muscles on the droopy side. Are you ready to try these techniques with me now? Come and join me. Let's start by taking a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale. Release the tension from your shoulders and your face. Let's do this one more time. Inhale and exhale. Let's now do a quick warm-up to bring awareness and blood flow to both sides of the face. First is neck rolls. Let's bring the chin down towards the chest and gently roll the head across to the right shoulder. Keep breathing as you roll the head back to the center of the chest and across to the other side. This gentle, simple movement stimulates blood flow to both sides of the neck. It stimulates our lymphatic system and it helps us bring awareness to our facial muscles, releasing tension. One more time, side and then back to center. Let's bring the head gently back up. Next, we're going to wiggle our jaw from side to side gently. Keep your mouth relaxed and your lips relaxed. And don't do it too forcefully. 2 more times. Relax. And now facial tapping with all the fingertips, using our fingertips to lightly tap on both sides of the face, starting from the forehead and then coming all the way down through the face, through the neck, and to our collarbones with a tap. Release. The first exercise is a one-sided smile lift. Identify which side of your face is the droopy one, and you're going to work on this side of the face only. The positioning on the stronger side around the mouth corner, just 1 or 2 fingers lightly. So I want you to bring your lips in the neutral position and now smile with the droopy side mouth corner only. I'm going to smile, hold it 5 seconds and release it. I'm going to do it 3 times. So this side is not smiling. So your strong side just staying absolutely neutral. And you're just encouraging the muscles on your weaker side to work. And again. You're holding it for about 5 to 10 seconds and then releasing. As you release, give a little shake to both cheeks here to release tension. Next exercise is called puff and press. We'll puff the cheeks full of air and we'll apply your hand over the stronger side, allowing the weaker side to do more work. And I want you now to transfer the air from cheek to cheek, focusing more on the weaker side. So you want to puff more air into the weaker side and hold it there for a little bit longer before taking it to the stronger side, just for a moment and pushing it back into the weaker side. If you're worried about the lines over your lips, you can place the other hand over your mouth as well. And doing it up to 10 times, feeling the cheek muscles expanding and contracting on the droopy side. And before we get into the exercises, I just want to quickly mention something that can really support your progress, and that is how you sleep. If you're working on correcting facial droop or asymmetry, what happens at night matters just as much as what you do during the day. A lot of people don't realize that pressing your face into a regular pillow for many hours at night, especially on the affected side, can actually make things worse over time. It can increase puffiness, deepen lines, and even undo some of the muscle activation we're working on here. I personally use the Sleep and Glow pillow at night. I love that pillow. I have spoken about that pillow before. And while I don't have facial droop myself, I love the pillow because it keeps the pressure off my face while I'll sleep. And this is what the pillow looks like here, if you haven't seen that before. The special dual side cradles underneath this beautiful silk pillowcase. And when I turn at night, I'm a side sleeper and also back sleeper. My face rests here in these cradles and feels the support without being squished into the side of the face, creating lines and wrinkles on the side of my face, around the eyes and the cheeks. It also allows me to sleep on my back, which is amazing because I'm actually training myself to sleep on my back more. Of course, the pillow is not a fix on its own, but it's a nice way to make sure that your sleeping habits are not working against your facial recovery habits that you are adopting during the day. And if you've been thinking about trying the Sleep and Glow pillow, now is the perfect time to do it. The company is running their special July sale from 7th to 21st of July, and you can save 15% more with my code Polina15 at the checkout. Please see the link to the website in the description below. And it's a great way to support your facial symmetry and your face muscles while you're sleeping, especially if you're doing these exercises regularly. Now, let's get back to the exercises themselves. The next exercise is the eye opener. So hold the brow of the weaker side with 2 finger pads. And I want you to just push down gently on the eyebrow, just holding above it. Now see if you can lift that eyebrow up without assistance of your fingers or without any other assistance. So just lifting, pushing it in your fingers and releasing. So feeling that contraction, that trying to keep the other side of the face relaxed. So our stronger side is not really working, as we're trying to bring the weaker side a little bit more up to the mark. And we do that 10 times, lifting, releasing. Again, lifting the eyebrow. So with my fingers, I press down a little bit. And I'm holding more on the outer edge of the eyebrow. But see if you can just position the fingers so it's a balanced hold. You've got that over the eyebrow, including the outer side. Once you've done your 10 times, relax your hand, tap on the forehead. We're going to tap on the side that we've just done the workout on, and then join also in tapping a little bit on the other side. Take another breath in and out, relax your hands. Next is called cheek sculpt and lift. So we will position 2 finger pads on the top of our cheekbone here on the weak side. Now we're going to try and lift the cheek muscles up into a smile on that side, as if you're trying to push your cheek into your fingers. We're going to do that 10 times. Keeping the other side relaxed. You might like to place your hand very lightly on that side to feel that it's not engaging. So we're lifting the cheek muscles up towards your cheekbones, which is a slightly different exercise to the first one that we've done. Imagine that the whole cheekbone and the cheek muscle is lifting up towards the eye. Try not to squeeze the eye muscles. Keep the other side relaxed. Up to 10 times. So just get a little bit closer so you can see. So my cheek muscles really switched on and working. Once you finish, relax. Give a shake to the side that we've just worked on, the weaker side. And then add also the other side. And you might feel that there is a difference in sensation between the side that we've done and the side that we haven't done. And relax your hands. We're now going to massage the weaker side to release tension and improve blood flow to this area. Let's apply a couple of face oil drops into our palm. And from there, we will apply that over the droopy side only, to start with. And then any remaining oils, we want that under your jawline, on the neck, on the cheeks, around the temple, and a little bit on the forehead. And any remaining oil you can apply on the other side, as we will even this out towards the end. So same areas on the other side. Take a deep breath in and out. Good, finishing your application, maybe applying some over your hands as well. So let's apply a little knuckle glide all the way up from the chin over the line of the jaw. This is working on the weaker side. We have 5 like this. Then we have 5 from the mouth corner. I'm going to hold over my mouth. I'm not pulling the face out to the side, and I'm working from the mouth corner out towards my ear. And then with the same knuckle from the nostril out towards the temple. And then from here with the whole hand just on one side, draw up and release, gathering up the muscle all the way through that side. Breathing. Good. And then gliding your hand down to the neck, little tap, release. This really helps to improve the blood flow and soften the tension that might be holding the muscles on the weak side down. We'll go ahead and draw out from the center to the sides, from both sides of the face. Get that lift now, evening that out, both right and left side of the face, just with gentle glides and swipes. Inhaling, exhaling. Last one, coming all the way down and applying a tap here at the collarbones, releasing. I hope you enjoy the exercises that we have just done. Consistency is key. Try these moves daily for at least a few weeks and you will likely begin to notice subtle but powerful changes. Your face is like a mirror of your habits and now you have tools to shape it naturally. Along with these exercises, here are a few daily habits that might help you. First of all, sleep on your back if possible and find a pillow that might be suitable for that. Be mindful of chewing evenly on both sides of the jaw. Improve your posture, especially your neck alignment, and stay hydrated and reduce stress because facial tension is often linked to stress. And if you're looking for something more tailored to your unique facial structure and your goals, I now offer online face yoga consultations where we can create a personalized routine just for you. The link to book a session is in the description below. I would love to support you on your face yoga journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time. Have a wonderful day.